It's a great day at Rusty Wallis Honda Used Cars. Hey there, this is John Hernandez. I'm sending you this video regarding the 2013 Ford F-150 XLT double cab, 8-cylinder 5.0 liters. It is a metallic silver with a light gray interior. No scratches, no dings. Garage kept, just a beautiful vehicle. You would be the proud owner of this vehicle. As you can tell, it's got its fog lamps, auto headlights, keyless entry. It's got Bluetooth. You see the steps that lead into the vehicle. You got 2 keys, Bluetooth, tons of room. This is your bed. It has a covering. We're located at 12277 Shiloh Road, Dallas, Texas, 75228. Rusty Wallis has been in business for 40 years, has won 8 President Awards. We are 100% customer satisfaction oriented. We are family owned and we want you part of our family. This is a perfect vehicle for a first-time car buyer. Okay, this was priced at $23,995. It is red tagged at $19,789. This would be perfect as a work truck / family vehicle because it's got a ton of room, or just transportation for employees. My number is 214-723-4366. Let's take a look here. The mileage is 77428. We've got a CD player, Bluetooth, tons of room. This partition right here, or this actually comes down. There we go. Well, you have got some storage area here, and then this part comes down. I know I got it up. They must have a latch back here. Let's check it out. We got coasters right here. Well, as you can see, it's got a coaster right there. Oh, there it is, right there. So this will come down. Well, it's evading me right now, but you can believe me. You can trust me. Let's go around here. It's just in astonishingly good shape. You got your floor mat back here. Tons of room. Okay. Tons of headspace up here. There it is right there. Figure it out somewhere. Here we are. So you could actually have a 6-7 person vehicle or 5 very comfortable. Again, 214-723-4366, John Hernandez. I'll send you this video. And from our conversation earlier, seemed like you might be available for a Saturday appointment. I will call you back and see what your availability will be for Saturday. Have a nice afternoon. We will keep in touch. Bye-bye.